We celebrate today the memory of Saint Thomas Aquinas, a Dominican priest, the angelic doctor, and Thomas Aquinas is also known as the patron saint of students and Catholic schools. A short homily will not give justice to the tremendous contribution of the man Thomas Aquinas, both in Catholic philosophy and Catholic theology. The name Thomas Aquinas is well known to many people all over the world, even in the Philippines, because the Royal and the Pontifical University of Santo Tomas, UST, is named after Thomas Aquinas. He was an Italian Dominican friar. He entered the congregation against the wishes of his parents, but he persevered in his vocation to the priesthood. Saint Albert the Great was his teacher, and he surpassed all his fellow students in learning and in virtue. When Thomas Aquinas was 22 years old, he began teaching and he began to publish his first works at the age of 22, and he received his doctorate when he was only 31 years old. Thomas Aquinas is regarded as one of the Catholic Church's greatest and most influential theologians and philosophers. Thomas Aquinas left many writings on different philosophical and theological issues, the most significant of which is the Summa Theologica, or the Summa of Theology. There are many famous quotations that we can mention about Thomas Aquinas, but one of the famous quotes from Thomas Aquinas is, "To one who believes, no explanation is necessary. To the one who does not believe, no explanation is possible." Thomas Aquinas was one of the greatest teachers of the medieval Catholic Church. He prayed much, just as he studied much. Thomas dedicated his brilliant talents to investigating the sublime truth of God in the light of faith and human reason or intellect. Thomas Aquinas was distinguished for his holiness and learning. He died in 1274. He was canonized in 1323 and declared Doctor of the Church by the then Pope Pius V. Amen.